Okay, I'm here in Taipa Village. And I'm here with my daughter. Dun, dun, dun. And we're also here with dun, dun, dun. And we're just gonna stroll through Taipa Village. So I think our plan is to, I think I want to go down Kunyagai first. So we're gonna walk down and see it all, kind of go in a circle. Then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna get a pizza over there.
Yep. And it could be an experience because it's a rainy day.
It's rainy and there's 3 of us and it's crowded. And yeah, it'll be an experience for sure. All right, let's do that. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. I think there's water dripping there. You never know what the kids are gonna do. So we're gonna walk this one. Uh-oh. This guy likes beef intestines a lot. So he wants to, he's already checking that food out. Come on, let's go this way. So he loves that. So that whole line, that's always really busy, and we're gonna be walking down busy Kunyagai as well in a moment here.
We're gonna walk down Kunyagai.
Kunyak. Yeah, you said it like a Chinese person.
Kunyak. your bag is covering it. Covering the flower. Yeah. So you can see we're not even wearing an umbrella, and I'm okay.
And over there is Taipa Centro. That's where all the downtown residences, that's where we all live. And we're gonna go into here, dodge some umbrellas.
Many people got umbrellas, not us.
And over here there's a little bit of a weekend market.
Whoa, I love
Sunday market.
I like these markets.
Yeah, I think it's closing. At this time it's going to close. Yeah, it's actually kind of raining too, so the umbrella's already that strong to cover all of that as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's
go to Kunyagai.
Panairangi Macau. I'm sure I mispronounced that one.
You can see there's many people, so we might be bumping into people.
I think so. That water.
People everywhere. I'm glad it's Sunday.
Glad it's Sunday.
Because if it's not Sunday, then
what?
I'm gonna get wet.
Oh, because it's Sunday?
If it wasn't Sunday, then
Oh. So we're gonna walk down this way. The advantages of having a long arm. Oh, we got some artwork down there. I didn't see that artwork before. Should we go see what the artwork look is?
yes.
Just gonna take a look real quick here. I don't think I've seen this one before. But that's like some alien things. Like a little monster there, a little NASA guy, a little mushroom there. All right. Whoa. That way? Okay, we can go that way. All right, all right, all right. We're gonna head back this way. Voice is this way. We're gonna head back this way. Take a right left here. And then I think our plan is to kind of navigate in this area a little bit. And then I might give the camera back. I'll try to use my height advantage a little bit. Film from up above. And then in a minute we're gonna go around the corner a little bit. So we got a lot of people everywhere today. Yeah, this Lord Stowe's. We were just at Lord Stowe's a little while ago, weren't we? So we were just there in Koloan. Yeah, it's really crowded. So we got a long line that goes all the way down that way. Other long lines that way. And other long lines here too.
No wonder there's like 100. Oh, this is crowded.
Yeah, this one is, Tyler likes this a lot. So this is beef opal. Beef opal. And we are going to try to get how long this line is right here. Let's go up here. So that line goes like that all the way here. So where should we go next? Down that way? He says that way, but we're gonna go that way. He wants to go that way because he wants to get beef opal, but he doesn't know we got pizza. We also have some other things too, so we got meals for him. But he wants to always eat beef opal, beef intestines. We got a Starbucks here. I'm kind of getting some rain on me here. Let me just kind of flip the camera around so we can see. Oh, there's a Starbucks up there. That's all the people up there.
Kaya here.
Kaya there. And then this is a pork chop bun place. So that place looks pretty busy. And we're gonna walk on through Thai restaurant. Hey, sorry. Gotta keep myself cool. My boy is splashing water. He's autistic, so he's always doing something fun for him and getting other people wet in the process. So yeah, we're in, the lighting is just about right. Getting a little bit of rainwater on there. I think we're gonna go down this one, I think. Or actually, maybe we have to go down that alley right there. Let's go down this alley, because I think if I go down there, we have to come back a little bit too much. Kind of getting wet in here, but we're basically kind of exploring some of the alleys. There we all are. Something going on down there, back there. Let's go back this way. And then we're actually going to be walking to get some pizza.
When I looked up, a water drop fell right into my lungs.
It fell into your lungs? Into your lungs? Wow. So you open your mouth so wide that the water went straight through, and you were breathing, and you got water on the lungs. Wow.
It's like I feel like a random drop in my lungs.
Amazing. So we got a bar right there that's called Harley Davidson. There's another area over there, OTT, Pedesquera, Portuguese, Thai restaurant, and Mexican restaurant. So we are going to end this one in a moment, but you get a little taste of Taipa Village. And we're coming up over here, and we have pizza place right here. And we're gonna eat a bunch of pizza.
No. Yeah.
That way? Okay, let's do that then. You're gonna go ahead and get that. Look at that. Get some pizzas. Look at that. That looks tasty. So what do we got there? There we go. Let's open up for 1 second. Just like. Wow! Yeah. Perfect. So we're gonna go and eat. All right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la